Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Today I would like to cover a very short and important topic for each and every one of you. The topic is how to make your profile on LinkedIn look visible and attractive for everyone, especially your recruiters. Make sure you all follow these 5 simple steps. Number 1, always update your profile picture on LinkedIn. It should be between 1 to 6 months old and not more than that. Number 2, always complete your profile, including your educational qualifications, your previous and current work experience, and you have all the documents to support them. Never add any false or wrong information. Number 3, add all the HRs and recruiters on LinkedIn of your desired company and industry. In the initial stages, they won't be adding you back, or very less will be adding you back, but slowly and steadily the number will increase. Have patience. Number 4, ask your connections to endorse your skills and recommendations. The connections could be your friends, your colleagues, your employer, your professor. Number 5, and important, make sure you're open for opportunities. Go on the jobs tab, apply for a desired job and company. You never know, you might end up getting a job in your dream company or get your dream job. Hope this video was useful for each and every one of you. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.